comment if you're one of the 3 people that watch this. Comment what you would do with the giant holes in the roof. Do we just make it a truck? Do we just do our own DIY truck? Alright, so we're back out here. We're going to try to pop it out of this hole it's in. It's pretty deep in there. Sorry if it's a little breezy. But yeah, so we're going to try to pop it forward because I can't turn the wheel right now. And yeah, then maybe just hard right. See what happens. Oh, there it is. And you got to watch it too. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a 4x4. Look at that. I'm going to throw it up here somewhere and pull this thing as forward as I can. We'll ignore that. It's missing bolts. No big deal. I'll straighten back out with the bolts. Oh, this is exciting.
Later.
Alright, so we're back out here with this thing. We drug it out. It's now in a driveway. We're going to go ahead and grab this pressure washer, and I'll get you in on some angles for that pressure wash in action. Alright, this thing's cleaning up quite a bit. I'll flip this around and show you. I've kind of got like a before and after going on down the side here. So yeah, this is kind of where it's been hosed down. That wheel's looking pretty good. And if you shoot yourself down the side, you can see it's just got a film on it. The windshield, we've kind of hit that film. That's all rust. I mean, the roof is gone on this side of the car, which is fine. We can figure that out. But yeah, just filthy. This pretty much whole side of the car was duplicolor, like a satin with nothing. Just threw it on there. So I mean, considering that, it's held up pretty well, and that's also what we did with that hood. And I mean, that's outlasted the chalkboard paint I put on top of it for the most part. So, you know. Alright, it's pretty bad. It's terrible. But I've seen worse on the internet. Put a little I Spy. Some of these parts don't belong here. Some of these tools don't go to this car. Anyone who hates themselves will easily identify this valve cover. But this is where we landed. Probably lost more paint than we did dirt, and you can see all the stripes where I, you know, half-assed it, I guess. We still have a film. That is on the inside now, so that's good. Next step is going to be this, and I was going to try to squeeze this all into one, but I figured we'd make this probably its own video, because I wish you guys could smell it. It smells like a gym bag with chickens inside of it. It's the weirdest thing. But yeah, this is the show. Ooh, focus. Maybe the important bits are good though. We just got so much rust. It's been that way. I got it rusty, but just not near this bad. They just stopped building them like they used to, like in the 80s probably, I would say, right? Because this thing, man, rough. But that's alright. Worst case, we'll just throw it away. But I don't give up on stuff that easy, even when I should. Oof. But yeah, that's the show. Got a fuel pump coming for it because I'm getting power to it, but I'm not getting any fuel pump action, so presumably that's locked up. So we'll drop the tank, get that done. And then, I don't know, we'll do this interior at some point. I kind of want the next video to be it running, but I might just make it the interior. I don't know. But, yeah, I mean, comment, if you're one of the 3 people that watch this, comment what you would do with the giant holes in the roof. Do we just make it a truck? Do we just do our own DIY truck?